Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the VANPO 1000V Insulated Plier Set. And it's not only a plier set, it is a 9-piece VDE Electrician tool set. Includes long nose pliers, Linesman pliers, diagonal pliers, and screwdriver set for home maintenance use. And of course for electrician. That's really safety insulated handle. The insulated protective handle of this tool set is VDE certified and complies with the BFENIEC 6900 from 2018 standard. The safety voltage is up to 1000 volt and it can work around AC or high voltage DC equipment. That's really awesome. But what is VDE, you will ask maybe? VDE is Verband der Elektrotechnik, is one of Europe's largest technical scientific association with 36,000 members, including 1,300 corporate and installation members and 8,000 students. And there makes standards. And this standards is a German standard. That means it is a DIN. This is the German Institute for Standardization. And the VDE are in one piece and say this is good, it's a good standard, the standards are reached. That means here comes a good tool. Really cool. Then we have a touch and durable material, hardened and tempered 60 CRV steel for high strength and durability. Anti-rust and anti-corrosion materials provide maximum strength and service life. When not in use, we should tool. We should take the tool and all them. But this is all tools should we get this. And then we go to be used to lubricate the joint of the pliers to maintenance the engine smooth and long-term operation. And the pliers sets contains 3 kinds of pliers. 25% less force required compared with traditional pliers. Either works due to advanced levering design. The thickened design of the combination pliers head is not easy to damage. That's good. The slender jaws of the needle nose pliers allows us to work accurately in small spaces. And the digital pliers are tight and special hardened cutting edges with super shearing force. And here are 3 types of pliers, okay? We have the needle nose pliers. This is this comes with both cutting and holding pliers used by artisans, chevrolet designers, and electricians, network engineers, and other tradesmen to bend, reposition, and snip wires. Their namesake long nose gives excellent control, while the cutting edge near the pliers joint provides one-tool convenience. Because of their long shape, they are useful to reach into small areas where cables or other materials have become stuck or unreachable with fingers or other means. That's really cool. A needle nose pliers is a must-have for every tool guy out there. And in the set there is a Lineman's pliers. The Lineman pliers is US English, okay? Linesman pliers, a Canadian English. And side cutting Linesman pliers and combination pliers, UK, okay? This is a type of pliers used by linemen, electricians, and other tradesmen, primarily for gripping, twisting, bending, and cutting wires, cables, and small metalwork components. They owe their effectiveness to their pliers design, which multiple force through leverage. The Lineman pliers are distinguished by a flat gripping surface and their snub nose. Combination pliers have a short flat surface plus a concave curved gripping surface, which is useful in light engineers to work with metal bar, etc. Both usually have the beveled cutting edges similar to that on the original pliers in their scroll, and each may include an additional gripping crimping or wire shearing device at the crux of the handle side of the pliers joint. You can see this is a multifunction pliers. You can use them for nearly every operation. And here it comes. We have a digital pliers. These digital pliers or wire cutters or digital cutting pliers or digital cutter or side cutters are pliers intended for the cutting of wires. They are generally not used to grab or turn anything. The plan, defined by the cutting edges of the jaws, intersects the joint rivet at an angle or on a diagonal, hence the name of it. Instead of using a shearing action as its scissors, digital pliers cut by indenting and winding the wire apart. The jaw edges are ground to a symmetry V shape. Thus, the two jaws can be visualized from the letter X, as seen and on the wheel, fully occluded. The pliers are made of tempered steel, and inductive heating and squinching are often used to selectively harden the jaws. You can see it's a really good set for all what you need. And of course there is a screwdriving set included too. This pliers tool set contains 6 screwdrivers. The use of the high-quality S2 material insulated round blade, blackened and rust-proof treatment makes it not easy to wear and durable. A screwdriver with a magnetic tip and accurately aligned the screw position. The handle is equipped with a hanging fourth hole, which is easy to store when not in use. And these hand tools are very suitable for professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts. The plier set can be used for cable cutting, stripping, clamping, blending, and crimping, or wire and sleeves. The screwdriver set can be used for the assembly and disassembly of electronic equipment or components in the household. That's a really good set for not only beginners, for professionals too. This is the VANPO 1000V Insulated Pliers set. It's a 9-piece VDE Electrician tool set. Includes long nose pliers, Linesman pliers, diagonal pliers, and screwdriver set for home maintenance use and for professionals out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.